Did you do using those shortcuts? Till where did we finish? Shares issued at discount originally and reissued at discount. Write on the heading. Shares issued at discount, reissued at par. Shares originally issued at discount but reissue is at par. Look at the board problem. Face value 100. Application money is, issue price is 90. Application 30. Allotment 30. Call money 30. Number of shares 1000. Shareholder failed to pay call money. 500 shares reissued for 500 shares reissued for 100 rupees only. 500 shares reissued for 100 rupees only. This is the problem. Face value of the share is 100, issue price is 90, application money is 30, allotment is 30, first and final call money is 30. Just reduce the fan speeds, Ramesh. Then number of shares is 1000. Shareholder failed to pay call money and 500 shares were reissued for how many rupees? 100 rupees. Okay, not all the shares. Now let us directly write the for feature entry. For feature entry, shares were originally issued at a discount. Shares were originally issued at a discount. We'll start with what? Share capital. Share capital account debtor. Share capital account debtor. How much? Now shareholder failed to pay call money. That means all the calls have been made due. That means we have made 90 rupees due. We have called 90 rupees. That means how much would have been credited to capital account? You remember third situation formula. Called up money plus discount. So it is 90 plus 10, 100. 1000 into 100. 1 lakh rupees. Next. 2 calls in arrears. How much amount is in arrears? 1000 into 30. Because he failed to pay only call money. 2 calls in arrears, 30,000. 2 discount. We have to cancel discount also, no? Please tell me discount on issue of shares. Please tell me at the time of issue of shares how much discount was given? 10 rupee discount was given. At the time of allotment 10 rupees discount would have been debited. Now cancel it. 1000 into 10, 10,000. Next. 2 share per feature account. Profit. 1000 into 60, 60,000. We have collected application money and allotment money, 30 rupees and 30 rupees. We have collected 60 rupees per share. It is collected towards face value. Hence, share per feature account should be credited with 60,000. Next, reissue entry. Reissue entry. We are reissuing how many shares? 500 shares. Bank account debtor 500 into 100, 50,000. There is no reissue loss, hence entire amount is credited to share capital. 50,000. Bank account return 50,000 to share capital 50,000. Now can you tell me how much profit will be transferred to capital reserve in this problem?
60,000.
How much? Entire 60,000 will be transferred to capital reserve? No, boss. Out of 1000 shares, only 500 shares have been reissued. You have to prepare a chart now. 1000 shares per feature profit 60,000. Two parts. Reissued, underline, for feature profit 30,000. Reissued 500 numbers, no? For feature profit 500 into 60. Okay, less reissue loss, nil. So entire 30,000 should be transferred to capital reserve. This is free profits transfer to capital reserve. Yet to be reissued 30,000 for feature profit 30,000. Continuing for feature account. Continuing for feature account. Continuing for feature account. This is free profits, FREE. Transfer to capital reserve. We'll pass an entry. Share for feature account at R2 capital reserve. How much amount? 13,000. Share for feature account at R2 capital reserve 30,000. Is it clear? Next problem. Write down. Now, share originally issued at a discount, reissued at a premium. Same problem. We'll keep it same. Now reissue price changes to 110. Same problem. Same for feature entry we pass. How much we have called? Shareholder failed to pay call money. That means the shares are fully called up. share capital account debtor 1000 into 100, 1 lakh. 2 calls in arrears. How much amount is in arrears? 30 rupees, 30,000. 2 discount will cancel. 1000 into 10, 10,000. 2 share per feature account, cash collected towards face value 60,000. Is it correct? Reissue entry, Manoj. Reissue entry, bank account debtor, how much? 500 into 110, 55,000. Next, 2 share capital, how much? 500 into we have collected 110. How much can we credit to capital account? 100. Gatti cheppu. 50,000. Extra amount, what should I do? Extra amount. No. Securities premium. To securities premium. Whenever we collect premium on shares, when we collect more than face value, we should credit it to securities premium account. How much? 5,000. Securities premium 5,000. Is it clear, everyone? Now, how much will you transfer to capital reserve? You can do it on calculator now without preparing a chart. Press on button on your calculator. On 500 shares, we made a profit of 60 rupees per share, no? 500 shares. Which 500 shares am I talking about? I am talking about shares reissued. Type 500 into 60. This is the per feature profit on shares reissued. 30,000 minus reissue loss 0. So how much amount is left? Free profit transferred to capital reserve 30,000. Sir, should this be transferred to capital reserve? No. This is already a capital reserve. Securities premium is already a capital reserve. Capital reserves are reserves which are not available for declaration as dividends, which we cannot give to the shareholders as share in profits. Securities premium account is also similar. It cannot be declared as dividends to shareholders. So it is already shown as a profit in a profit account. So you need not again transfer it to capital reserve. Okay. But free per feature profit has to be transferred to capital reserve. Share per feature account debtor to capital reserve 30,000. How did I get it? 500 into 60 minus 0. What is this 500? Number of shares reissued into 60 per feature profit. 0 reissue loss. Is it clear, everyone? This is how we deal with, and shares are originally issued at discount and shares are reissued at premium. Is it clear? Now write down the heading pro rata allotment.